Hello everyone, Ngenochisa Noke and welcome to my channel. In my previous video on this topic, I covered 7 South Africans who got their big break on the reality show Class Act on SABC1. If you missed it, I've linked it in the description box below. Class Act Season 2 introduced actresses, so this list includes both actors and actresses. We'll dive into all of that in a bit, but before we do, as always, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and smash that like button to help the channel grow. Now, let's get back to the list. At number 8, we have Petronella Nontsikelelo Chuma. Petronella Chuma auditioned for Class Act in 2011 and made it to top 10. Although she was one of the first to be eliminated, she quickly landed her first role on e.tv Scandal as Ruby. She continued to build her career, appearing in productions like Of Good Report, Inamba, Harvest, The Tokoloshi, Good Men, and more. Her latest project was a Prime Video film titled Clean Job. Her most popular TV role, however, was a spell on e.tv Rhythm City, where she played the daughter of David Gennaro. This role earned her a Best Actress award at the 2021 SAFTAs. At number 9, we have Mandisa Nduna. Mandisa Nduna now goes by her rapper name Zulu Mecca. She appeared on the second season of Class Act and became the runner-up on the female side. Mandisa went on to appear in productions like Between Friends, See the Winter to My Skin, Hustle, She's King, Blood Palms, and more. Her last big acting project was in Miss Education on Netflix. She dabbles acting with her rapping gigs. At number 10, we have Palance Dladla. Palance Dladla broke into acting after finishing as the runner-up on Class Act Season 2. Shortly after the competition, he landed a role on e.tv drama series Sex Tips for Girls, and later that year he made a cameo on the British drama series Wild at Heart. He went on to appear in productions like Tempe Pushers, Intersections, Rhythm City, Isthunzi, Queendom, and more. His longest and most popular role is that of Jabulani Zungu on Mzansi Magic soap opera Isibaya. More recently, he appeared as Zakhele Ndlovu in the Netflix drama series Blood Legacy. At number 11, we have Tumi Ngumla. Tumi Ngumla broke into acting when she won Season 2 of Class Act. Remember, Season 2 had 2 winners, 1 actor and 1 actress, and Tumi was the actress who took home the prize. She landed her first role in Tempe Pushers, followed by her first leading role in SABC1's political thriller, Ihawu Lesizwe. She went on to appear in Rhythm City, Inamba, The Groom's Prize, The Last Victims, Blood Palms, and more. Her last project was a feature film called You Are My Favorite Place on Prime Video and later EVOD.
Some had the attitude, others had the looks. But when you see true quality, you just know.
And last but certainly not least, we have Abdul Khoza. Abdul Khoza joined Tumi as the male winner of Class Act Season 2. After the competition, he landed his first role as Two-Step in the second season of Intersections. He went on to appear in Tempe Pushers, Uzalo, The Road, Kings of Joburg, Shaka Ilembe, and more. His longest running role was as Qaphela on Mzansi Magic soap opera Isibaya. He also became a fan favorite on Showmax series The Wife. His latest appearance was on Showmax thriller Red Ink. Now this last one is my favorite. Although he's known for his acting, Abdul showcased his singing and performing skills on The Masked Singer Season 1, where he made it to the top 3 as Lion. And just like that, we've come to the end of covering our Class Act alumni. Each contestant has done so much, they deserve a video on their own. So it was not easy to compile all of them into just 2 videos. And I guess that just shows how good the show was. Almost everyone in the top 10 is booked and busy. They might be taking a hiatus for a few months or a year or 2, but they're generally booked and busy.